All right, so I had 3 shelves in this. When it came initially, there was one here, and one here. I ripped out these 2 because I don't want a bunch of clutter in here. I do not want a van that's packed jam looking like Sanford and Son. I just want this thing for installs and installs only. I don't want no madness. So I'm gonna get everything out of my truck into here. But the funny thing is, I pretty much have everything known to man on my truck, and it should fit in here with no problem. That's just because it's just so compact on my truck, so we'll see. But I ended up getting some of these. I have a bunch of Tough System boxes, and I think I'm going to use these. I'm going to mount these in there. Anybody has any suggestions? I am open to suggestions. But these right here, they're going out of here. If no one picks them up today, I put them on Facebook. They're going to the dump. I don't care. I don't want them. They're garbage. They look like shit. So, anybody has suggestions, let me know. I think I'm going to put Tough System here. Bang, bang. That way I can fit, at least I want to be able to fit, 1 or 2 systems in here and still have room to work with. So I'm just going to clean this all up, tidy it up. I'm not going to spray paint inside here, nothing. I don't really care how it looks as far as that goes. Like I said, this ain't no crown jewel, but you know what? All I need is 100,000 miles out of it. Thing up, it'll do me just fine. My old truck, man, that thing's got like 250K on it. I just take care of it. Keep the oil changed in it. If something is going wrong with it, I address it immediately. You take care of your vehicles, man, they'll last. They'll last. So, and I really, I'm a fan of Nissan, man. I don't know about anybody else, but Nissan, if you take care of them things, man, these things run forever. Who knows? Maybe this thing will blow up in a month. But, engine's sound on it. So, like I said, I'm not going to go spend 100 grand on a couple vehicles. This thing, if I get 100,000 out of it, this thing will make me well north of $1 million, so I ain't even tripping. And if it gets me that, then we're good. See how tough this Tough System is, huh? I started out with DeWalt, man, so it doesn't make any sense. I've got so many DeWalt tools and batteries. I mean, I like Milwaukee, don't get me wrong, but I'm just not going to spend 10 grand. I just don't feel like spending 10 grand on tools that I don't need, man. So I'm going to stick with this DeWalt. Some people don't like it, but hey, each his own, right? Some people like white cake. Some people like chocolate cake. This is how it is. This is how it is.